What the fuck do? You can fit in my shoes. If the bully motherfucker, let me give him my views. If it ain't about money, then the shit is minute. Niggas here one day, then they gon' like poof. I'ma strangulate niggas with a long tight noose. Pick a casket, bitch, you in the wrong mic booth. Niggas talking all tough till it's on sight. Ooh, then I pop up with a semi-automatic rifle. Yeah, give me more pain, cause it got me through. You made it through life, nigga, I salute. And then blow out your brain, that's what I pursue. Fuck all of the fame, nigga, how are you? I'm flying some plane, baby, how I use the ratchet on deck, not the power tool. I'm spewing gunpowder, nigga, by the boom. I'm sweeping up the block and they ain't got a room. I've been rated for 10 years, I only been sincere. I'm losing love for it, I no longer pretend it. Afraid that the end's near, is anyone in here? God, give me a sign, take the wheel if you will steer. A stand-up guy, fuck a bitch in the wheelchair. That's my phone, niggas know I'm the real air. I made it out of mud, you know niggas get killed there. The last of a dying breed, baby, I'm real rare. So fuck all the fake shit, I'm making arrangements. Rearranging your brain, shit get real when the pain hit. I suffer through anguish, they wanna be famous. I'm different from you niggas, you know we ain't the same, bitch. Gotta keep a cig in the clutch, cause niggas be won't smoke like cigarette butts. I told Echo I've been thinking about giving it up. It's just something about it make me stop giving a fuck.
Give me pain, cause it got me through. Now I'm up the chain, yeah, I'm on the loose. Acting two-faced, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, you talk, what do you do? Give me pain, cause it got me through. Now I'm up the chain, yeah, I'm on the loose. Acting two-faced, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, you talk, what do you do?
Lonely road is the only mode I've been on. Watching those that blow up like yo to stay focused on all these songs. Crazy game, but I came to play, so I slay the snakes on my lawn. Thought that I got them, but listen and you can still hear them. There they are. I'm saying blue notes in the big vans over blue checks. And the match when I hit them with a suplex. Funny when you get a dream, you gon' lose rest. Now I'm in the combo when they're talking who's next. Who's best, who's set the pop. But looking at us got a DM from living the vibe. Oh, checking in like she wanna know who I'm signed with. I'm with nobody though. The fucking game Nintendo. The bars is petrol. The suit in this bitch Tony Stark is red gold. I'm off the benzos and yeah, I get dough. I think I'm too raw, suggesting Pepto. Oh, no shit, about to get a new Taylor. No Swift, when I bet on myself, no risk. Then I get the whole cheese, no Swiss. Ayy, taking the beats and I'm swapping the S and the T when I speak. These clowns in the club get a cup of the crown and they thinking they kings. This land of the clout and the bullshit when nothing's the way that it seems. So fuck all the numbers you bought, I'm running this shit with my team. Ayy,
give me pain, cause it got me through. Now I'm up the chain, yeah, I'm on the loose. Acting two-faced, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, you talk, what do you do? Give me pain, cause it got me through. Now I'm up the chain, yeah, I'm on the loose. Acting two-faced, I don't fuck with you. Yeah, you talk, what do you do?
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way, find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way, find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the need to